Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
Let's unbox it and see what is inside.
Yeah, let's go to the unboxing. There it is. Let's do it the right way. Well, I think it's the right way. First comment of Zoe is it's very light.
Very
so
light.
It is going to be very easy to install.
Yep.
Let's see the device. As you can see here, touchscreen
Yeah, you
buttons.
have the buttons.
Sorry about the prints, I will clean that.
Yep. But it shows on the box that you can use it or put it, install it. I noticed that afterwards that you can put it. Sorry, I put it
Wrong
upside
way
down.
round.
You can put it even inside your bathroom.
Yeah.
You just need to avoid some safety zones, and you can warm up your bathroom. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna just show you. And let's see. It says that it has 1.8 meters wire,
Yes, it does.
and it has inside that familiar
Yeah, we have a little.
remote control, and you have eco mode, as I see here.
Yeah, you have eco mode, you have fan, you have
Heat.
heat, you have the temperature control, obviously, timer. I'm not going in the right direction. I might set your temperature up and down.
Yep.
And on and off.
Yes. So on this one, it doesn't rotate,
Yeah.
but I think the blades in the front, it's like a AC.
It is like an AC. It goes
Up and down.
up and down. Yes.
So let's power it on
Yes.
and have a look what it is this in device.
Yeah.
So this is the device.
And I am the wall.
We just plug it in. You have to remove this
Oh yeah, you have to.
from the battery to energize the battery.
Let's do that. Yeah.
Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys how simple is this.
We'll do that and I'll do the holding.
Okay, let's power it on and see. So as you see, Zoe explained that this is a screen and a touch screen. I'm gonna show you guys that you can turn off and on the device. So when you press the button to turn off, it's gonna cool down and then it's gonna stop working for protection of the device, because it's not from metal, it's from very heat resistant plastic.
Yes, it is.
So you're gonna see that it's gonna turn off in 10 seconds. Zoe is doing the holding.
Well, obviously we're not going to install it on the wall. So
Yep. And as you see, the device is shutting down.
yep, it's
So,
all closed down. Let's go again.
Let's go power it on. So let me show you guys. This is the fan mode. So if we want to put some heat,
Yep.
it says level 1. Level 1, it has to be the 1 kilowatt of power. Yes, it shows, and I feel the heat.
Yeah.
I'm telling you what, I feel the heat. Level 2, it puts the
Oh, I can feel it now, yeah.
fan, and it's very hot. I'm telling you guys, it's very hot. And let's try the echo. So you see on the echo, it still emits heat. I can feel the heat coming, but it doesn't burn so much power. The only thing we're gonna show you before we go to the conclusion is how much is demanding from the wall, and we're gonna go with that. So guys, let's see what is the power consumption of the device. This is the fan, which it looks like it's 4 watts, 3 watts of power. So you can use it in the summer as a
Fan?
air circulation fan. If you put the rotating blades, Zoe. So we see that small motor is consuming 2 watts. So it's 4 watts when it's running like this. So let's go to level 1 at the 1000 watts and see. So we go 500, 600, 900, 1.2, 1.3, 1.2.5, 1.2, and it stays at, it went to 1000 watts. Yes, 1000 watts. And it's going down. So that's the level 1. Let's try the level 2. Two kilowatts, 2.4, 2.450, 2.3, 2.2, 2.1, 2 kilowatts, and it stays 1.9, 5. So that's a good thing, because when it's warming up it stays at 2 kilowatts. And now try the eco mode. So let's see. Curious to see. So it says 800 watts. I think it's hot, it's giving warm.
It is. It's definitely is.
So 790, 795, 800 watts. And let's put it to shut down and see. So we fall to 1 watt. It's gonna cool down. It's gonna do that cycle. We're waiting for the timer to turn off. And that's it. The shutters are closing under it. And we see that it's 0 watts. It doesn't consume anything when it's off. What I want to show you, because we didn't show that, is it has an emergency off switch behind it. So you can bypass it completely. And as you see, on the back, you have the ability to put it on a wall, obviously, and you see the other side, and it has these spacers, so it's not gonna go so close to the wall, just enough to work properly. Guys, this is the heater from SilverCrest, and feel free to appreciate, write in a comment and suggest what would you like us to open next.
Yeah.
It's very close to Christmas. As you see, we have decoration around.
Oh, yes.
We did the other video for the hot glue device that we created this amazing ornament. So if you like, watch this video. And see you on the next video from us, Zoe and Mr. D. Mr. D and
Zoe.
Have a great night and see you in the next video.
See ya.
See ya.